Hola, beautiful people. It's your girl, Miss Amazing. Oh my God, do I have a cold? Oh, so amazing. And happy Monday morning, my little teacups. It's time to sip some tea. What amazingly. Okay, heated to perfection, heated to perfection. Guys, this weather is so ridiculous. Like yesterday, it was so hot. And today, it looks like gloom and doom out there. I'm finally gonna be able to catch up on like housework, okay? Because your girl's been slacking. I need to sweep, I need to mop, I gotta do laundry. Today is all about getting the house back in order, okay? I need to clean my bathroom. It's just a lot of stuff happening, and I've been so focused on other things that I forgot to sweep my damn